Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to fix this broken car aircon knob. I hope you can see that. The area that got broken has a flat side because the shafting that where it used to go to is a flat one. Let me show you a flat shafting. This is what they call the half moon shafting. It's for an electric fan, just for demonstration. The flat face of this knob is going to face this flat surface of the knob. So that's how it's supposed to do. But since it's already broken, I got these mini hooks from my nails and wire set, and I cut one. I am going to put this into this area so that it creates a flat surface on this knob like that before applying an epoxy. So I'm going to fix it first in here. So I hope you're getting the idea. Okay, let me fix it first. Let's try if this is enough to get in. Let's try. I think we need to enlarge it a little bit. Then let's put this one. Okay, now that it has been fixed, I'm going to put an epoxy in that area. Let me just mix this. This could help you if you could no longer find the right knob for your car, especially if it's old one like ours. Okay, let me just squeeze those epoxy. This is just plain water, just for it not to stick onto my hands or onto my finger. Okay, we will just let it dry for 3 hours and then we'll test it. Okay, so it has dried up. Now let's install it. The flat surface is on this facing the left side. Let's try it. Okay, let's turn it. Okay, I hope you like the video, and this knob could be your gas range knob, your house aircon knob, your amplifier knob, or anything that uses a knob. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching and see you on our next video. Bye.